What's up, everybody? It's Clay here at Mallard Motors, wrapping up the day here. But before I go, I was going to show y'all one more vehicle we just got. Before I get started with that, I'm going to tell y'all about the referral program we got going on. If you send me a customer and let me know before time, meaning before the sale is complete, and they are purchasing a vehicle that's priced above $4,000, I'll give you $200 just for sending them to us. With that in mind, I got a 2019 Altima to show y'all. This is our second 2019 Altima. The first one is white, this one is silver. It's the new body style. It's pretty sharp looking. Got some chrome details on the grille, fog lights on the front, chrome door handles. This thing's good on gas mileage. And speaking of mileage, it's got low mileage. I want to say it's got 37,000 on it. Lots of space back there in the trunk. It does have the keyless entry for it. Cloth interior, great shape, still smells new in there. It's got the proximity sensor, so you don't even have to pull your key out to unlock it. You can just push that button to lock or unlock it. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors on the side, power seats. No sunroof in this one. It's push to start. Yeah, 37.9 on the mileage, so almost 38,000 miles. Got some controls on the steering wheel for radio, hands-free, cruise control. Got a nice big touchscreen right here in the middle. Got a built-in backup camera. I thought it might have navigation, but it does not have navigation. If you're interested in this one, I'd be happy to talk with you about pricing or financing. Just holler at me down here at Mallard. My name's Clay. You can reach me at 870-639-9200. Appreciate it.